The Origin stablecoin minting protocol is redefining the rules for issuance and setting a new standard for safe, anonymous transactions. Through a unique algorithm, the non-stable LGNS token is minted into an anonymous stable currency, A, reducing supply while boosting market stability. Stablecoin A achieves a perfect one-to-one value anchor with treasury reserves, ensuring every token is backed by actual assets. Technical highlights include a closed-loop economic model that stabilizes the market through the strategic minting and destruction of LGNS. Privacy is paramount. Using zero-knowledge proofs, the protocol ensures absolute transaction anonymity and protects user control over their assets. Origin is paving the way for the future of cryptocurrency. Join the ecosystem and experience the revolutionary change in stablecoin issuance.